Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can probably tell from the title of this video, I have now reached 5,000 subscribers, which I am so happy about, so thank you guys so much. And as a thank you from me to you guys, I'm going to be doing a art giveaway today. The two pieces that I'm going to be giving away today are both alcohol ink paintings. So I'm going to show you the two pieces that I would like to gift to two of you guys. So this is the first piece. This is an alcohol ink painting. It's got some really nice techniques in there. I've got a couple of bubbles and cells that I've got along there. I think this would look really nice framed, maybe in a wooden frame, maybe in a white frame, or even a pink or purple frame to pick up some of these colours here. This is the second piece. This piece I actually really love. This is on Yupu paper. It's got some quite nice effects going on here. Again, this would look really nice framed in a white frame or maybe in a darker grey black frame. So again, we've got the blue one here and the darker one here. Okay, so I'm going to do the competition in two different ways. So technically one person could win both, you never know. So if you would like to win this piece, I would like you to comment underneath this video in the comments section a video idea of an art tutorial that you would like me to do. So preferably one I haven't done already. So I will sift through, and my favourite idea, I will not only send you this piece of art, but I will do a tutorial on the suggestion that you have made. So I'm looking forward to hearing all of your suggestions, trying some new techniques, but yeah, I will pick my favourite idea. So again, just to clarify, you've just got to comment in the section below an idea of an art tutorial you would like to see from me in the future. Okay, so for the Instagram competition, I would like you to follow my art page, which is Emma Ravens Art, that's the tag, and I would like you to post a comment on the picture of this painting, which will be up as soon as this video is up, and it will say competition. So I would like you to post a comment, exactly the same thing, so a video or art tutorial that you would like me to do in the future on my YouTube channel, and do the hashtag Emma Ravens Art Competition. So I will check them all out and I will pick my favourite idea, and then of course that person will win this piece of painting. Now in terms of the competition, I'm going to leave it open for 1 week exactly from the time that this video goes up, and I will be doing an Instagram live to reveal the winners of the competition. So please look out for that in a week's time. Please go over and follow my art Instagram, Emma Ravens Art, and I look forward to seeing all of your ideas. And just again, I want to say thank you so much for the 5,000 subscribers, and hopefully I'll be back soon with another art tutorial. Good luck with the competition guys, and I'll see you all soon. Bye!